Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. When we talk to someone, it's important to know how to tell a story in English. If you are a beginner, it may be complicated. I understand how difficult it can be to tell a simple story to someone. For example, to tell someone about how your day was, yeah? And the problem is not only with vocabulary. In one of my previous lessons, I told you that it's not necessary to know a lot of words and phrases in order to speak English at a good level. What is more important is to be able to speak automatically without thinking too much about what tense to use, past or perfect, without thinking too much about how to build the sentences correctly, and so on. So, today I'm going to give you some practical tips that will help you to improve your ability to tell a story in English pretty fast. So, let's get started. As always, you can read the text in the PDF, which you can find in the description. Follow our podcasts on Yandex Music and iTunes. For more new episodes, subscribe to our channel. Make it simple, guys. When you start learning English, try to make as simple sentences as you can. When you tell a story to someone, don't use the perfect tenses. Just remember that when you speak about things that already happened in the past, you need to use the past simple tense. It's easy. For example, today I woke up at 7 a.m. I washed my face, cleaned my teeth, and had breakfast. I had 2 fried eggs with toast and a cup of coffee for breakfast. When I finished my breakfast, I took a shower. After that, I went to work. I worked the whole day from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. I came home at 7 p.m., had dinner, read a book, and went to sleep. You see, you don't have to make it complicated, yeah? You don't have to use perfect tenses. Just remember that when you speak about things that happened one after another in the past, you need to use the past simple tense. When your English gets better, you will be able to make more interesting stories and you will be able to speak a higher level of English. You will be able to use past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, and other tenses of English. But it takes time, my friends. Short stories retelling. The perfect exercise that will help you to improve your speaking is telling short stories in different tenses. Let me explain what I mean. Here is a short story written in the present simple tense. The story is called Warm Air and a Sandwich. Here it is. The window is open. The air comes through the window. It is warm air. It is a warm day. The air smells like bread. It smells like fresh bread. It smells good. It makes the boy hungry. The boy goes to the kitchen. He makes a sandwich. He sits down. He eats the sandwich. Yeah? Now let's try to retell the story in the past simple tense. Here it is. The window was open. The air came through the window. It was warm air. It was a warm day. The air smelled like bread. It smelled like fresh bread. It smelled good. It made the boy hungry. The boy went to the kitchen. He made a sandwich. He sat down. He ate the sandwich. To make the exercise more powerful, you can make one more story in the future simple tense. Here it goes. The window will be open. The air will come through the window. It will be warm air. It will be a warm day. The air will smell like bread. It will smell like fresh bread. It will smell good. It will make the boy hungry. The boy will go to the kitchen. He will make a sandwich. He will sit down. He will eat the sandwich. This exercise is going to help you to improve not only your speaking but also your vocabulary and grammar. How to find stories like that? I recommend that you download my free book for students and teachers. It includes 27 short stories for beginners written in the present simple tense. Your task is to rewrite and retell the stories in the past and in the future. Each story includes audio files and a vocabulary list with useful words and phrases that will help you to make your English better. I will share the link below. Practice makes perfect, guys. The key to success in a foreign language is practice. If you don't train your speaking, you are not going to improve it fast. Every time you work with short stories, try to learn them by heart and tell them out loud with your voice, with the correct intonation and pronunciation. Just imagine that you have a friend in front of you and you want to tell him a story. Make a live conversation and tell the story out loud with your voice. It's a powerful way to improve speaking, believe me, guys. Never avoid speaking practice. Try to find friends and talk to them in English at least once a week. A perfect website where you can find language partners is interpulse.net. Check this out. I will share the link below. So, storytelling is not easy, my friends. It takes time to improve your speaking and be able to speak automatically without long pauses and without thinking too much about grammar. So, use the tips I told you about in this lesson. I'm sure that they will bring you great results pretty soon. So, thanks for watching, my friends, and see you next time. If you like the video, don't forget to like it, of course, and follow our channel. Thank you very much once again, and see you later. Bye!